Guys, I have finally found how you can get a 4,000 watch hour using just two apps, which is your YouTube Studio app and your editing app. Either you have your Inshot app or your CapCut app, any app you're using to edit at all, this is what you are going to be using to get your 4,000 watch hour. And you're not going to say, oh, I'm going to look for Restream.io or Restream.this or using another external app. Like, this is within the YouTube Studio. YouTube actually added this particular feature. A lot of us have been seeing this particular feature, but we never knew how to use it. And I've been doing my research for the past 1 month, if I'm not mistaken, and at the end of the day, this is the most requested video dropping on your table. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If you're not tuning in, do a subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. With that being said, let's dive right into this video.
So guys, like I said in the beginning of this video, we're going to be using just two apps, which is the Inshot or the CapCut app, or the YouTube Studio app. Okay, so whichever one that you want, feel free to use that one. So me, I have the Inshot app here, so I'm going to be using the Inshot app. So both the two app can actually give you the same thing, so don't go and start saying, oh, I need to like get Inshot app by force. Now the first thing you're going to do is to go ahead and click on this video end. If you click on the video end, just import your videos that you want to use. So I'll go ahead and import my videos, and it is good that you import a longer minute video duration, you understand. And in the process of importing this your videos, please ensure that you don't have any copyright music that will actually flag the video. And if you want to get maximum results, it is good that you have a longer video duration, you understand. So let's just take these few ones that I have here for the purpose of this. So go ahead and click on good. And if you click on good, please, if your this thing is on the YouTube standard, which is on the 16.9, change it to the TikTok standard, okay, or change it to the Facebook standard. Like, let's just be on land scale. Right now you're going to click on good, and then the first thing you're going to do, next you're going to do, is to go ahead and export this. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and export this, and once this is done exporting, I'll come back and show you guys the next thing that we are supposed to do. So now that I'm done exporting my videos, I need to go to my gallery to check to be sure that my video is done exporting. And if I come to my gallery, here is my video that I've already exported here, as you guys can see. Now the next thing I need to do is to go to the YouTube app. Okay, so I click on the YouTube app and I let this load. Okay, so once it is loaded, I click on this plus button. Okay, so if you click on this plus button, you let this load as well. Now click on this pencil icon. If you click on this pencil icon, go ahead and put the name of your live stream. So since this is a vlog compilation, I can just put vlogs here just for the sake of this live stream. Okay, vlog, so a day in my life. Okay, okay, now that I have this here, I'm going to ensure that this is on public. So in case it's on private or membership, please change it out. And make sure that it's not meant for kid. If your channel is monetized, go on and turn on monetization, because this is for both monetized and people that are also not monetized. We want to be getting more watch hours back to back every single day. And you guys can see here now, the next thing I'm going to be doing that is very important here, as you guys can see, is this screencast. Okay, so YouTube actually put this screencast here. A lot of people have been saying it, they don't even know what to do with it. Instead of you testing out Restream, or you're scared of Restream and every other stuff, use this screencast. It is going to be giving you the same result. So go ahead and turn on this screencast. If you turn on this screencast, go ahead and click on next. If you click on next, ensure that it's not meant for kids, click on next again. Okay, and it is going to show you this thing that you're seeing here. Okay, you are about to screencast, blah blah blah, and so on and so forth. You can pause to read. So now click on got it, and then it will show you here, do you want a single or entire? Go ahead, click on what? Entire screen. Now if you click on entire screen, go ahead and click on what? Start. Now if you click on start, this will automatically display your screen for you. So if you want to close your face so that just this your picture will be showing here, yes, go ahead and do that. So now the next thing you're going to do is to do what? Click on go live. Now if you click on go live, automatically it will load. Now what are you now going to do for you to achieve this result? Go ahead and click on what? Your gallery. if you click on your gallery now, that video compilation that you have compiled, right? Go ahead and click on the video. Now if you click on the video, automatically go ahead and play this video. Now this video will be displaying on your live stream. Can you guys see? This video will be displaying on your live stream, and the more this video is going, the more hours you are going to be getting. Are you seeing? The video will keep displaying. That's why I said, if you want to achieve maximum results, go ahead and make sure that this particular video is a long video. You understand? Now if you want to loop one, you can go ahead and click on loop. You understand? If you click on loop, you close this. Okay, now that you have looped it, you close this. Now this will continue to loop, and this will continue to play over and over again for you not to get a copyright issue, right? For you not to get a copyright issue, make sure that the videos you're bringing are not videos that will flag your live stream. You get? Very, very important. Now I'll go ahead and show you how this live. Okay, I can't even do it with this particular phone, right? I can't do it because that's why I have to do this particular end for you guys. So let me end this video and then go to the live stream and show you how the live stream is going. Okay guys, so let me go to this particular channel. Okay, so I click and I'm going to this particular channel here. So let me search for Sonia Onoja. Okay, so now that I've searched for Sonia Onoja's channel, which is this particular channel that live stream is actually displaying, so let me go ahead and press it. Now you can see that this channel is live streaming. Now let me click on it. If I click on it, you can see, let's just allow this to load. You're already seeing people coming in already. You understand? So people are already coming in. This is going to loop all the videos for you. Let this load. Network, please favor us. Okay, so you can see it here, guys, and press it. Can you see it? Can you see it?
Now
This
you can
is
see that
exactly what is displaying on my live stream. This is exactly what is displaying on my live stream. You get what I'm trying to say?
this channel is live stream.
Now with this, now this live stream is not going to be boring. With this live stream is not going to be boring. You understand? This live stream is not going to be boring. Every single person that is coming to watch this live stream will definitely watch from beginning to the end, and you will be accumulating watch hours back to back. Now let's go back to finish up this video.
Now let me click.
After accumulating your plenty hours that you've accumulated, what do you need to do now? Just come back here, click on this. Okay, click on this X button here. If you click on this X button here, automatically you are going to what? End the live stream. You understand? With this particular method now, people that are coming to watch, see, just for these few seconds of people that I just have, just one chat and this, you can see the average viewer duration. There is no way you're not going to be accumulating more watch hour. Stop making your live stream boring. Stop making your live stream boring for people to get. If you are doing it, please choose a video that is not copyrighted. Choose a video that you will not be flagged on YouTube. Choose a video that is in the YouTube rules and regulation. And as simple as that, you don't need to go to any other single app for you to be getting watch hour or looking out for restream or looking out for east, west, north and south. But still within the YouTube studio, you are going to be getting all of the results you are looking for. Now let's go back and wrap up with this video.
Thank you so much for staying stick with me to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed yet, subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. Have you been seeing this feature before and you don't know how to use it? Let me know as well in the comment section. Like I said, if you are looking forward to coaching and you don't know what to do, how to do it on your channel, this is your vibe. You're personally going to your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what can minus, what can add. All you need to do is to send us a DM at this email you're seeing, fit3195@gmail.com, and trust me, we're going to be getting your channel unlit. A lot of people even chat me up to tell me that, Bible Sonia, just check at least to see if I'm really doing the right thing, if my videos are doing well. It's just basically what you just need to do. And we do that. And at the end of the day, we achieve success. Anyways, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, for the last time, I'm going to be saying, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.